morning and hi from my home. A few clients and friends alike recently have asked about what they could do a little bit extra in their well-being routine to add to it and add balance, pardon me, in their life. So tapping is the perfect way. So I have included some links below just for a few different tapping sequences from YouTube that I just located. It's not my own work. That would help in your well-being system. So tapping taps into the energy that regulates and heals your body, sends signals to the brain for deeper relaxation, eliminating stress, and just enhancing the balance in your body. So a good tapping sequence for, let's say, healing from frustration and anger. I've got one hand on the phone, so I can't do the tapping sequence, but the karate chop here, we tap, 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 tap a few moments, and then we go up to the forehead, both sides, temples, and then the cheeks, both sides, the top lip. Then we go to the chest, we go to the armpit, and then to the top of your head, all saying a line of sequence to reconnect the energy and to rebalance. So I will come on and do a tapping sequence myself when I have two hands free. So I hope you like the links. Happy well-being, happy Monday. Love and blessings to all, and have a sparkling day.